If we see someone walk into a building with a wet umbrella, what can we infer from that? We can easily infer that it is raining outside even if we don't see the rains directly, right? This is precisely what is circumstantial evidence. Evidences in a court of law are either direct or circumstantial. Talking about the direct evidence, it's a type of evidence which, if true, proves a fact without requiring any kind of presumption or reasoning. It's a very straightforward proof. For example, an eyewitness testimony, audio-visual hearings, or a confession. Circumstantial evidence, on the other hand, refers to evidence in a trial which is not directly from any participant or an eyewitness. It implies that something occurred but cannot directly prove it. It requires an inference, जिसको हम अनुमान भी कहते हैं, and reasoning to actually connect the evidence to the event occurred. So, summing up the key characteristics of circumstantial evidence. Firstly, evidence that implies a fact which is true but does not directly prove it. Secondly, it relies on inference, which is anuman. Examples के तौर पर जैसे forensic evidence, fingerprints, defendant being seen near a crime scene, or किसी का suspicious behavior, or somebody possessing stolen goods. Moreover, a single piece of circumstantial evidence may be weak, but a collection of multiple corroborating pieces can be strong, often used to establish intent or a motive. And lastly, how do we use such an evidence in a court? So both the prosecution and the defense teams can use circumstantial evidence to build a case. Thank you.